Putting me out because I don't want to wear this cheap ring.
Yeah, bro.
That your own mama wouldn't wear.
But you know what I had to do?
Show the ring.
Like, you know.
Show the ring.
Like, bro,
show the ring. No, because, like, come on now.
Man, you can get out, bro.
That's
like, that's disrespectful, bro. Like,
would you want your daughter to wear a ring like that? Would you want your daughter to wear a ring like that?
You love to have me?
Baby.
Dude, you so ungrateful.
I'm ungrateful.
Like, man.
You ungrateful because you know the type of man I mess with. You know the type of man I talk to.
You know what type of guy I was.
Next level. Next level. Like, come on, I seriously humbled myself when I met you. I humbled myself when I met you.
It don't even matter, bro. Like,
and you tripping about this little bitty?
I'm gonna get my money back in the ring, bro.
Come on now, y'all.
Like, I'm gonna get my money.
For real? No.
I'm gonna get my money back. Like, you can go.
You're mad.
You don't even know you left it.
I know I left it.
Okay, well, it's cool, bro.
Oh, I know I left it.
Man, we just going our separate way. We ain't even gotta do this.
Come on now, you want me to be clown?
All
my friends got these fat rocks, these big rocks.
You don't laugh. That's all you do, bro. You a social media person. Look at you. Man, you put me on our business. Just going back to your business.
Why would you even want me to walk around with that little bitty ring? That's a reflection of you. You want people to know we broke?
Man, it's cool, yo.
You want people to know we ain't got it?
I ain't broke.
It's given we ain't got it.
I'll take it.
It can't be real. It can't be real.
It's gone.
Cause you gave it to me. Be happy.
Go find somebody else, man. Go find somebody else.
I didn't have to marry you. You don't be other options like that.
You're right.
You know.
You already know what they want. They don't want nothing. They don't want nothing from you. They just want to come and go about their business. Come on, man. You better do that. I took you in. Just go. Let's get out. Let's get out.
Baby.
Let's get out.
Let
live know that. Let him lie know I took you in. You went on nothing.
And now you
go ahead.
Man of the year. Husband of the year.
You don't need you. Just be cool.
Husband of the year.
Just go on, bro.
Ladies, beware. This is not what you want. This ain't it. It be the ones. It be the ones that propose.
That's why everybody doing our business, bro. You always on social media.
That's how come I expect to accept a bare minimum. I would never.
Man, look.
Never.
Right, man, I don't want to go back and forth with you. I wish you just.
Y'all expect a bare minimum.
Don't do what you really want to do.
I highly doubt this is the first time she's acted ungrateful and disrespectful, because the way she behaved in the video. You always want to avoid women that behave like this, because if you ignore it, you will end up in a situation.
If my boyfriend asks me to marry him, I'm gonna say no. Why am I gonna say no? Because we started dating 5 years ago, and then a month after we started dating, his friend started dating his girlfriend, and they had a kid after 2 years of being together. We had our daughter after 4 years of being together. His friend pays all the bills in their home. We pay 50-50. His friend got engaged last year, and we haven't gotten engaged. His friend got married this past weekend. Now I have these doubts. Like, why? What do you need? What's not enough? Shoot, I know I'm enough. You're not about to make me feel insecure. I have some say too, and I can say no. Just because you propose doesn't mean I'm gonna say yes. Like, for me to say yes, he's gonna have to pull off a really, really, really nice proposal, like something super romantic, like Backstreet Boys in the background. So come July, and there's no proposal, I'm gonna say no. If he ever asks. And if he doesn't ask, guess I'm just his baby mom.
She self-sabotaged her own relationship by comparing it to others. Not once did she think about her selfish mindset would impact her daughter or her boyfriend. Nor does she care to realize that everything is not a competition.
How much should a wedding ring cost? 10 grand.
30,000.
30,000? 10 grand? Jeez. 10 grand. What you gotta say to, to 10 grand?
30,000.
I'm sticking to my 10 grand. What if it's 10 grand? How are you feeling?
I mean, I'm gonna say no. I asked me 30,000.
You gonna say no?
I know.
Well, there you got it, folks. 30,000, just like that.
If we are together or not together, that doesn't matter. But you make a promise, and I always keep my word when I say something, and you should do too. You told me you are going to give me my birthday the handbag.
Yeah,
So
I
can
said
you-
that I'll get you a handbag when we were like boyfriend and girlfriend. We're not together anymore. We're not in anything anymore. But now you come to me in my house saying to me, hey, where's my bag? Corey, what do you mean, Zara?
All right, welcome back. Let's call this guy Eddie. You met on one of the apps. You went on a date. You thought everything went really well. You were hoping to see the guy again, but you haven't heard from him, and you kind of feel, I mean, you're bummed out because you liked him. You're bummed out because you had to get a babysitter and spend time away from your kids. It was kind of just a lot, and you're let down because you were hoping it was all going to be worth it, and now you're being ghosted, and you want to know why. Okay, fair enough. Well, let's call this guy now. Good luck, Zara. We're calling on behalf of a woman named Zara. You guys met on one of the apps, and I guess you went out recently. Wow, this guy's a matter of fact. Okay, so you remember her then?
Yes.
Okay. So what happened? Because she called us and said she liked you a lot and was hoping to see you again, and you ghosted her. I mean, is that true? Did you ghost her?
Well,
Are you ghosting her?
yes, absolutely. Yeah. I'll tell you exactly what happened.
Okay.
So we went on a date, and it was great. We were having a good conversation. Great. It comes to around the end of the meal. I head to the bathroom, and I come back, and then the waiter brings the bill, and it's a lot more than I thought it was gonna. Look it over. I call him over, and I ask him, "Hey, why is my bill so much?" And he's like, "Well, she, while you were in the bathroom, added 3 entrees and an appetizer to go."
Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Wait, who is the food for?
For her kids.
So she ordered
She was
food
taking it home for her kids.
Oh.
And okay. And she didn't tell you she was going to do this or offer to pay or, I mean, she didn't even give you a heads up. She just tried to sneak it in.
No, she was right. She was sneaky about it and did it while I was out in the bathroom.
Sorry, you left out the part where you ordered several meals to take home without asking about it. Because, I mean, did you know he was going to pay? I mean, you didn't seem to say anything when the bill came.
No, I mean, he asked me on a date. I would expect he's going to pay. I think that's just kind of typical that the guy pays, especially when he's
for you.
Totally
I mean, he asked you on a date and he paid for you. That was the plan. I don't know that he necessarily signed up to pay for your whole family to eat.
Those aren't his kids.
No, I mean, I get that. They're not his kids, but I mean, he knew I had kids. He knows I'm a single mom.
So he, part of him asking you out on a date is him also providing a dinner for your family? And the fact that you didn't tell him that you were doing it is also a little sneaky. I mean, in fairness.
Yeah, well, I don't like that either, being called sneaky. I mean...
But it sounds like you just kind of assume without asking.
No, I absolutely assumed. I assumed you asked me on the date that you're going to take care of me. I think that's crazy.
The entitlement of the last 3 women is mind-numbing. The only way they could actually say what they said with a straight face and be serious is if they're used to getting everything they want without anyone ever telling them no.
So I take this girl out on the first day, right? I take her to Moxie's, nice chill little spot. So I'm waiting, and this was a long time ago, y'all. I'm waiting, chilling, and she's coming in with her laptop, right? She has papers with her. I'm like, oh, what's going on? So she sits down. I'm like, hey, what's up with the laptop and papers? She's like, oh, is it okay if I bring my homework? I'm like, your homework? She's like, yeah, I'm in nursing school, and, it's due tonight, and blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, I'm upset, but I'm like, okay, cool. But, the whole time she's not focused on the date. She's focused on her homework. She's not creating any conversations. She's not eliciting any topics, asking me any questions. So I'm just like, man, this is just completely disrespectful. You can't let your procrastination lead up to our date. You could have just canceled the date. We could have just did another time, So I'm getting frustrated. And then towards the end of the date, I'm just like, hey, I gotta go. I pay for my bill, I don't pay for hers, because it's just completely disrespectful, So you guys think I handled it right? I mean, I think I did, but let me know what you guys think.
Me to go out on a date.
What did it take?
I gotta get a babysitter for my kids.
Okay. Shouldn't pay for that?
Yes.
I gotta pay for the kids that you made prior to me.
Guess what now? A part of me is my kids. I'm a business owner. I'm a mother. I'm holding down the household. That's why.
And I shouldn't have to pay for your trying.
I'm not saying every day. I'm saying, okay.
No date.
A man that's with me, in my opinion, they know that, okay, she's a mother of two. She's holding down the business. She's holding down the house. She's commuting from Jersey to New York. All right, how much is your babysitter?
Good luck finding the man you made up in your head in reality. If you enjoyed this video, I promise you'll enjoy this next video. I will see you there.